दोस्तों, तो आज हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं नीम रिएक्शन का टॉपिक। ठीक है, तो देखो यहाँ पे पहले हम जान लेते हैं कि क्या क्या नीम रिएक्शन है हमारे सिलेबस में। तो पहले मैंने एक टेबल कर दी है कि यहाँ पे कहाँ से बेस्ड ये क्वेश्चन नीम रिएक्शंस होता है। तो पहले देखो कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड से बेस्ड जो रिएक्शन है वो कैनिजरो रिएक्शन, देन इंटरमीडिएट बेस्ड डायमर रिएक्शन एंड पिनाकोल रीअरेंजमेंट। डायमर में जो क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है वो इसका रिएजेंट भी पूछा जाता है, और इसमें जो इंटरमीडिएट इन्वॉल्व होता है वो है कार्बिन, और पिनाकोल रिएरेंजमेंट में जो इंटरमीडिएट पूछा जाता है और इसमें इन्वॉल्व होते हैं वो है कार्बोकैटायन। ओके, और यहाँ पे इनोलेट बेस्ड बहुत सारे रिएक्शन है। देखो एल्डोल रिएक्शन भी है, रिफॉर्मेट्स की, पार्किन, मैनिज। ओके, और देयर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ रिएक्शन, दैट इज फ्राइज रीअरेंजमेंट एंड फिडलक्रैफ्ट रिएक्शन। ओके, दीज टाइप्स ऑफ रिएक्शन आर प्रेजेंट इन योर सिलेबस। ओके, सो हम आपके लिए MCQ लाए हैं दिस टॉपिक से। ठीक है, तो चलो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं, और आप प्लीज़ वीडियो को कंप्लीट करके देख लीजिएगा। ठीक है, तो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज एसिटोफेनॉन कैन बी प्रिपेयर्ड बाय। ओके, तो वी नो दैट एसिटोफेनॉन का जो मतलब स्ट्रक्चर होता है वो बेंजीन के ऊपर C+O एंड CH3। ओके, दिस इज एसिटोफेनॉन। सो एसिटोफेनॉन फॉर्म्ड होता है बाय द एसिटाइलेशन ऑफ benzene. Okay, so here the correct option is Friedel-Crafts reaction of benzene with acetyl chloride. Okay, next question is which are the starting materials for the preparation of this compound. Okay, and this is benzophenone and the nitro NO2 group is in the para position. Okay, so here we know that अगर हम देख सकते हैं कि PHCHO, that is we know that PHCO. Okay, this group is a meta reacting group. Okay, so if we take the example, or if we consider the options, then पहले जो दिया है क्या concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. This is the reagent of nitration. Okay, but as this group is a meta directing group, so the NO2 group is attached to meta position of this ring. Okay, so this is not possible as their NO2 group is in para position with respect to this group. Next this is nitrobenzene, and if we consider this an electrophile, that is either if the Cl group is left and CO plus is PHCO plus is formed, then that is an electrophile. Then this will attach to this nitrobenzene in the meta position. Okay, as the NO2 group is meta reacting group. So this is not the correct answer, and this is the correct answer. Okay, this is benzene, and here Cl group is if left, then the electrophile is formed, is attached to this. Okay, and here the answer is this. Okay, so here the correct option is option C. Next, which of the aldehyde is most reactive? Okay, so we know that the aldehyde is more reactive when the electrophilicity of this carbon is increases. Okay, if we consider this is R and this is hydrogen. Okay, so the increase of this electrophilicity of carbon increases the reactivity of this carbonyl group. Okay, so here the most reactive aldehyde is C. Okay, formaldehyde. Next question, when metachlorobenzaldehyde is treated with 50% KOH solution, the product is obtained is or R. So we know that 50% KOH is an reagent of Cannizzaro reaction, and this is an aldehyde, this is the substrate. Okay, so here the we know that Cannizzaro from this from Cannizzaro reaction, what is the products are, if we take an example, that is this. Okay, so one group is reduced and one group is oxidized. So here this is an intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction, but if we consider metachlorobenzaldehyde, then two molecules of benzaldehyde is reacts with each other, and one molecule is oxidized and another molecule is reduced. Okay, so here the correct option is option C. And if you please remember that this one is acid COO minus. Okay, as the medium is basic medium. Okay. Next question, this is the reagent and NaOH and 10 degree centigrade and OH plus and water is given here. So here पूछा है कि major product क्या है. Okay, so we know that this is also an Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, and at first the product is formed, that this type of compound is formed. Okay, as their H plus is given, so carboxylate anion is acidified and carboxylic acid is formed. Then as there is present alcohol and acid in same position or close to here, so here water is lost and an lactone type of compound is formed. Okay, so here the correct option is option C. This is the correct answer. Okay. Next question, aldehyde and ketones can be reduced to hydrocarbon by using which of the following reagents? Okay, so here the correct options are C and D, because this is Clemmensen reduction, this is Buchholz reduction. So in the both cases we know that the carbonyl group, that is C double bond O carbonyl group, is reduced to methylene group. Okay, so here correct option is C and D. Next, enol content is highest in. Okay, so here enol content is highest in acetyl acetone. The structure of acetyl acetone is this CH3CO, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. Okay, if we consider the enol form, that is a double bond attached to an OH group, alcohol group, this is enol. Okay, why an enol form is more or highest? Because these CH2 groups, these two hydrogens are more acidic in nature, so this enol form is more stable. Okay. Next question, aromatic aldehyde undergoes disproportionation in presence of sodium or potassium hydroxide to give corresponding alcohol and acid. The reaction is also known as. Okay, this is another example of an Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, so here the correct option is Cannizzaro reaction. We know that in Cannizzaro reaction 50% KOH or NaOH is used. Okay, and here the product is an acid and an alcohol. Next question, PHCHO, and here the reagents are sodium acetate, acetic acid, or acidic anhydride. Okay, what is the major product? We know that this reaction is an neem reaction, which is Parkin reaction. Okay, Parkin reaction. So here the correct option is option D, cinnamic acid. Okay, if you have to know the mechanism, you please make this. Okay, next question 10, 10% this is cyclohexanone and 10% NaOH and heat is given. Okay, so here the correct option is, which is the correct option? Major product. Okay, so here the correct answer is an option D. If we so the mechanism, at first OH minus is there and here hydrogen is lost or abstract this OH minus. Okay, then formed a enol. Okay, another compound is here, that is this, and this back, and this is attached to this. Okay, next step, this will form. At first A is formed, then here water is lost and D is the final product. Okay, question 10, that is pyrrole, CH2O, that is formaldehyde, and NMe2H, H plus is given here. So here the compound is this. Okay, what is the name of the reaction? Okay, the name of this reaction is managed reaction. Managed reaction. Okay, So here the mechanism I write. At first the formaldehyde is attached to the H plus. Okay, the lone pair of the oxygen is attached to the H plus, and then water is lost from these two compound, and this is formed, and then from this spiral, in the second position, this will attack to this carbon, and the double bond is on the nitrogen. Okay, so if we rearrangement this reaction, and this will be the product. Okay, so it is the managed reaction. Next question, the reagents are PHCHO, and this is, and here Zn is given, and H plus and heat. Okay, so here the correct option is option C, as there H plus is given, and H plus is given and heat is given. So here H plus shows carboxylic ester is not formed. This will be goes to carboxylic acid, and water is lost. Okay, so C will be the correct answer. At first this one is formed, then if we H plus is given, then this will be formed, and if we hydrolysis the product, then C will be formed. Okay, so C will be the major product or final product. What is this? Okay, this is an pinacol. Okay, H plus if we given the major product of this reaction. Okay, so here the correct option is which, and this is the this is your homework. Okay, you can write the product, and please comment on the comment section. Okay, next then I will discuss